Our company, we trade as M&K Cresham. We have 2 permanent employees and we have 2 part-time employees, part-time casual when the workload gets a bit heavy for us. Our main base of work is with 2 government organisations, mate, in the area called Local Land Services and also Soil Conservation Services. So we undertake in-stream sediment and erosion control for rivers and creeks. And yeah, we sort of specialise in log structures, log jams, and also rock structures, oversized rock structures. So yeah, rock bed controls, rock revetments, and things like that, mate. So I think just the general communication lines. Tyler is a guy that really stands out. He knew that we were looking for a rotational grab at the time and just sort of kept us up to date what was happening within the Aussie Bucket structure, and they actually come up to the financial year sale. And yeah, he was just on the front foot and letting us know that there was a reasonable discount and the cost savings on that as well. So, but again, we probably wouldn't have known. I'm not a guy that sits on his phone all day and sort of checks out every website. So the fact that Tyler got in touch with us, it sort of helped push it over the line, I think. Like again, Tyler's timeline was great, you know, pretty well from when we signed up for a build. Obviously we paid a deposit and told us of a timeline, and it was pretty well to the day. That helps us able to structure what we can do for our clients further down the track. There was different questions about where the product was made, how it was going to be made, the type of steel to go into it, different things like that. Obviously your warranty system's a good warranty system, and yeah, no, it was a pretty breezy sort of a task for us, yeah. With the Korean steel and a build in China, that's you know, I'm fine with that. We have materials that have come from Korea in particular, as the machine behind me comes from Korea as well, mate. I've got no problems with that at all, no. The fact that you're up front with it too, you know, it wasn't like a roundabout story, it was pretty direct, and this is where our gear's made. The fact that it's covered by 5 years warranty also. You know, what we deal with is fairly aggressive, the size stone that we move and things like that. So to have that 5-year backup, yeah, no, it's a good thing. And it does have a little bit more opening, if that makes sense. It opens a little bit wider than the other one we have. So the hands or the fingers on this one are a little bit longer. So it potentially gives you a little bit more availability to grab a little bit more in the mouthful, if you want to say, or in the tongueful. The pain points are definitely downtime. It's not just the fact that you have a breakdown. It's the fact that it's costing you for every hour that you're down, you know, so you're missing out on what you're down for. So yeah, definitely, you know, fuel costs have rose in the last few years. You know, it has parts in general, you know, anything from an oil filter right through to teeth and ground engaging equipment, all that sort of stuff. So, but certainly, yeah, downtime would be the greatest concern for us for sure.
And have you had any downtime at the moment with your app?
No, absolutely not. No, not at all. No, it's been a good device. I don't think that the other attachments we have see the type of aggressiveness that the rotational grab would see. Certainly our bucket work and things like that is mainly for trim and, you know, final trim and shaping up and things like that. So it probably doesn't see the aggressiveness of the rock like the rotary grab would, yeah. If I had, which I already have, I've had people in the industry. There's a chap been on this job that we've been working on, and I know he's already got some of your attachments, and we spoke about other things that he's interested in buying. And I sort of said, why would you go past Aussie Buckets? You know, like you know, if I haven't, I'll get it for you, and it's prompt. But you know, I would have no hesitation at all. Anybody in the industry to give you a crack and have a look at what you know, what's in your catalogue and what's available. As far as quality goes, and again, warranty, and you know, compare it to the guy next door, whoever it might be.